So I had a company gift me this DWVO patio buffet cabinet. So as you can see, this is made of a very nice heavy-duty resin wicker. It's all weather, so it's definitely gonna last on your patio. The wicker is definitely made very well. Now the sides of this unit do have like a wicker basket type look to them. Now the framing to this unit is made of a metal and it holds everything so nicely together. Now the shelf is 7.9 inches tall, 35.4 inches wide, and a depth of 19.7 inches. So you do have a lot of space on this unit. Now this cabinet is 35.6 inches tall. Now the doors do shut very nicely and hold very tightly to the unit because of this mechanism in here that kind of grabs onto the door hinge. And this area is going to allow you to be able to get a lot of your tall stuff in here, being that you have 19.7 inches of height. And the top is a metal, but it does have a picnic table type style to the look of it. So all in all, this is a quality unit, and being all weather, it's definitely gonna last a while. You can definitely tell that just by the feel of the wicker and the sturdiness of it.